Bloodwing does give me hikes on my neck too. Did you know that Bloodwing wasn't there? Like, she wasn't even there. Well, Caleb's a liar.
Bloodwing gives me hikes on my neck.
Oh, that's so hot. I want hikes on my neck from Bloodwing.
Oh yeah, beef, yeah. Hikes. Oh guys, remember this part? It's scary.
David, think of like hickory smoked or whatever. And... You can't spell hickory without hickey.
Because that's already a word.
Yeah, I know. This combat engineer is giving me hikes on my neck.
He's retarded. They just go along with him because they feel bad because he's so retarded. He loves his bird. That's how I feel.
It's like we're helping out David.
It's like when they pretend that a retard's good at something, but he's not actually.
Happens so much.
Want Bloodwing back, huh? Shame.
Yeah, I know.
Some really interesting experiments with her.
Okay, maybe like, but let him have fun still, but don't just tell me he's the best at it. Everyone will laugh at him. Oh, okay, Jonathan. Okay, we'll get Bloodwing.
Disposal, fire, electricity, corrosion, slag, and damn, I forgot the last one. What the hell was that again? God damn it! Just weaken her, or hit her with a drink.
Well, don't worry, Mordecai.
But you gotta beat Bloodwing down. Do what you can to save her, but if you can't, she's got what we need to get into Control Core Angel and grab the vault key. That's what we're
How fast can we kill Bloodwing?
Guys, Bloodwing isn't there.
Fire!
No. Not
When?
again.
Bloodwing gives me hikes on my neck.
Okay, he can take your turret down. Take your turret down. Take your
No,
turret
it's still
down.
doing damage though.
I know, but she's gonna heal it back when she switches forms.
Oh.
Oh no, she dive bombed.
He's a reach. And this is like an exaggeration of when like the parents have to put down the retard's pet. Because it's vicious or something. Oh, but it's okay, John. Bloodwing, you're not dead.
Our hearts are just singing. Oh, not dive
Oh,
bombs!
wow.
You did, baby!
Oh, yeah, dive bomb. Oh, the dive bomb's so cool.
During the cutscene. Or no, there's no cutscene here, is
She
there?
disappeared.
Wait, what?
She went
Where
underground.
did she go? It's just a friend.